Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we're going to show you guys, we're going to review a product guys. Okay, that adapter here, with the help of that adapter you can actually put R134A Freon in a system guys that requires R1234YF. So stay with us guys, we're going to cover all that today. Quick introduction guys to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. Now you can find guys the link to the adapter and everything we talk about in the video in the description of the video below guys, for your convenience. So let me open the hood guys, and I'm going to explain more about that, and you will know guys what to expect. So as you know guys, many systems nowadays, they require guys special refrigerant. Okay, like this one right here requires R1234YF. Now I'll definitely guys recommend to always go with the original stuff, but ourselves, okay, first R134A is cheaper, more affordable. Second, you can get it easier. The other one is still very limited. Third guys, okay, you don't need to have any other special tools. You can just get a can like that and recharge your car, but you're going to need, okay, that device. Now I will guys consider this entertaining video, not an informational video guys, but in my opinion guys, okay, in my opinion, I use that stuff for probably 2 years guys, and I haven't had any problems. But from what I understand and people explaining the chemistry and all that stuff about the two refrigerants, you cannot mix them. You have to have your system completely vacuumed down. Once you have it vacuumed down guys, you can put R134A. But again, I'll recommend to go with the original stuff. In this Dodge Dart we've had R134A for a long time, and we haven't had any problems running the AC all summer, and we've been doing it in other vehicles for more than 2 years. How that works guys, okay, let me show you now. If you just try to connect the can, okay, you need to find your low pressure port. This is high pressure, this is low pressure port. I'm going to remove, okay, I'm going to remove here, let me see, okay, like that. I'm going to remove the cap, and if I guys try to connect my R134A hose, it's not going to fit, okay, because that fitting is very wide. But if you guys get that adapter, that will have the link in the description of the video below, what you can do guys here, okay, you can go ahead, okay, put it on top, just go ahead, slide it over, okay, just like that. And once the adapter guys is installed, okay, let me show you, let me focus with the camera. Once it's installed, you can go ahead and connect your R134A. Just the two do not mix guys, so you have to start with completely empty system. And check it out now, okay, what we have here, you can see our gauge is working, so everything is great now. And that's just with that adapter guys, so definitely a great tool. We'll have the link, as I said, shared in the description of the video below guys, for your convenience. So please check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.